Hi friends, let us discuss plus 2 mathematics NCERT syllabus vector algebra. Chapter 10 vector algebra. What is a vector? A quantity which has got both magnitude and direction is called a vector quantity. For example, displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, etc. are vectors. Such quantities have got magnitude as well as direction. Now, a vector can be represented by a small letter with an arrow mark above it, or sometimes it is without that arrow mark. And we can represent a vector by a line segment with direction, or a directed line segment will represent a vector. Here the directed line segment AB is a vector with initial point A and terminal point B. If we take BA, then it will be the negative of the vector AB. In this case, the initial point is A and it is directed to B, therefore it is vector AB. Here it is initial point with B and terminal point A, therefore it is vector BA, which is equal to negative of vector AB. Now we shall think of position vector. Before explaining the position vector, we have to discuss triangle law of addition of vectors. Consider a point object stationed at A. In straight line motion, let it reach B. From there, let it reach C and then back to A. A point object stationed at A by straight line motion reaches B, from there it reaches C and then back to A. Then net displacement is 0. Therefore, we can write vector AB plus vector BC plus vector CA equals 0. I told you net displacement is 0 because that point object has come back to A itself, therefore displacement is 0. Then if we take CA to the right side, AB plus BC is equal to negative CA, and I have told you this negative CA will be equal to vector AC. Vector CA with the negative sign will be equal to vector AC. Therefore, we can conclude the sum of vector AB and vector BC will be equal to vector AC. In triangle law of addition of vectors, we say vector AB plus vector BC is equal to vector AC. That is, if two vectors represent the two sides of a triangle, then their sum will be represented by the third side of the triangle taken in the reverse order. Once again, if two vectors are represented by the two sides of a triangle, then the vector sum is obtained by the third side of the triangle taken in the reverse order. That means the direction will be from A to C. This is known as triangle law of addition of vectors. If two vectors are AB and BC, that means two sides of a triangle ABC, then vector AB plus vector BC will be equal to vector AC, third side of the triangle taken in the reverse order. Now, consider a point P, X, Y, Z in the three-dimensional figure. That means X, Y, Z are positive. It is in the first octant. Now, let us drop a perpendicular from P to the XY plane, and let P dash be the foot of the perpendicular from P. Then we shall draw perpendiculars to the x-axis and y-axis and join OP dash. Consider the triangle OAP dash. Triangle OAP dash. Now vector OA plus vector AP dash will be equal to vector OP dash. By triangle law of addition of vectors, that is x I cap. How? If the unit vector along the x-axis be I cap, the length OA will be equal to x I cap, and if the unit vector along y-axis be j cap, the distance OB will be equal to yj cap, which will be the same as AP dash. Therefore, this is yj cap is equal to OP dash. Now consider the triangle OP dash P. Now vector OP dash plus vector P dash P OP dash plus P dash P will be equal to OP. Now OP dash is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus P dash P is equal to z k cap. If k cap be the unit vector along OZ, then P dash P must be equal to z k cap, which is the same as OC. Vector OP is represented by R cap. Not, it is vector R, not R cap. Therefore, we can write position vector of P, which is normally represented by the vector R, is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus z k cap. Here we arrived at this conclusion using triangle law of addition of vectors.